friends, welcome back to Learn with Samvidya. Today we are going to learn about environmental in 4 languages. English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. English, sun, Telugu, Suryudu, Hindi, Suraj, Kannada, Surya. Number 2. English, moon, Telugu, Chandrudu, Hindi, Chand, Kannada, Chandra. Number 3. English, star, Telugu, Nakshatram, Hindi, Tara, Kannada, Nakshatra. Number 4. English, sky, Telugu, Akasham, Hindi, Asman, Kannada, Akasha. Number 5. English, cloud, Telugu, Megam, Hindi, Badal, Kannada, Moda. Number 6. English, rain, Telugu, Varsham, Hindi, Barish, Kannada, Male. Number 7. English, wind, Telugu, Gali, Hindi, Hava, Kannada, Gali. Number 8. English, tree, Telugu, Chettu, Hindi, Ped, Kannada, Mara. Number 9. English, flower, Telugu, Puvu, Hindi, fool, Kannada, Huvu. Number 10. English, leaf, Telugu, Aku, Hindi, Patta, Kannada, Elle. 11. English, sea, Telugu, Samudram, Hindi, Samudra, Kannada, Samudra. Number 12. English, water, Telugu, Neeru, Hindi, Pani, Kannada, Neeru. Number 13. English, river, Telugu, Nadi, Hindi, Nadi, Kannada, Nadi. Number 14. English, mountain, Telugu, Parvatam, Hindi, Pahad, Kannada, Parvata. Number 15. English, earth, Telugu, Bhumi, Hindi, Prithvi, Kannada, Bhumi. 16. English, fire, Telugu, Agni, Hindi, Aag, Kannada, Benku. Number 17. English, stone, Telugu, Rai, Hindi, Pattar, Kannada, Kallu. Number 18. English, sand, Telugu, Isuka, Hindi, Ret, Kannada, Marallu. Number 19. English, grass, Telugu, Gaddi, Hindi, Gas, Kannada, Hallu. Number 20. English, rainbow, Telugu, Indradhanusu, Hindi, Indradhanushu, Kannada, Indradhanasu. Awesome term, friends. Now you know how to speak environmental in 4 languages. English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Please keep practicing daily and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.